gentlemen, and welcome to tonight's Iowa Girls High School basketball game between the Dragons of Johnson High School and the West Des Moines Dowling Catholic Maroons. We'd like to welcome the coaches, players, students, and fans of Johnson High School and remind everyone here this evening that Dowling Catholic and Johnson High School athletic departments put tremendous emphasis on great respect, sportsmanship, and class, not only on the court, but in the stands. Tonight's officials, Tyler Brady, Norwoodville, Rich Sukup, Ankeny, and Kelly Burton, Urbandale. And now your starting lineups. First for the Dragons. At guard, a 6-foot sophomore, number 31, Taylor Jones. At guard, 5'6" senior, number 21, Kristen Riley. At guard, 5'7" senior, number 43, Sammy Hilton. At forward, a 6-foot senior, number 41, Sarah Reed. And at center, a 6-foot junior, number 53, Stephanie Wilkinson. Head coach of the Johnson Dragons, Rich Granville. Assistant coaches Abby Witch, Josh Heyer, and Eric Schaefer. Manager, Ranyoja Ayers. And now your starting lineup for your Dowling Catholic Maroons. At a guard, a 5'6" sophomore, number 2, Aiden Butler. At a guard, a 5'9" senior, number 32, Morgan Laurel. At a forward, a 6'1" freshman, number 50, Audrey Faber. At a forward, a 6-foot senior, number 44, Haley Faber. And at center, a 6'2" senior, number 42, Aaron Brown. Head coaches of the Maroons, Sharon and Bob Hanson. Assistant coaches Mike Booker and Tom Donahue. Head trainer Del Mark. Assistant trainer Dave Crandall. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please rise as Dowling Catholic Junior Angela Gus sings our national anthem.